Sometimes with your Aquabug, it's necessary to go a little deeper inside of her to take a look and see what might be going on with it or to do some basic repairs. The first thing you got to do is to remove the lower body, and I'm going to show you how that's done. The first step is actually just to remove the bottom plate. Whoops. And it's the same 3 screws that you would if you were removing debris. And this comes right out there. You also want to take the little piece of the throat out here and put it aside. Now after that, there are still 2 screws left to deal with, and they're up top. I want to remove those, keep track of them. I like to keep in a little area right over here. And then, grabbing by both sides here, you want to gently take out the bottom piece of the housing, exposing the turbine and the A-frame assemblies. Now you're in perfect position to inspect and make any repairs if necessary.